Hello everyone, my name is Akbartayo. I'm from P3B. Now I want to show you how to make a wind vane. These are the materials I need to make it. First, we need a piece of cardboard. Then, we need a paper straw. After that, we need a pencil with an eraser on top. Then, we need scissors. And also these printable designs that I already searched on Google. Then we need markers, a glue, a plastic cap, a pen, and a glue gun. A wind vane is an instrument used to show the direction of the wind. To determine the direction of the wind, we must see the pointers. Like for example, the wind is coming from the south. That means this side of the pointer will point to the south. Let's check if my wind vane works on the highest place of my house. Look guys, it works. The wind blew the wind vane and shows that the wind is heading to the northeast. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy. See you in my next project. Bye bye.